Hey, welcome back to Black Lab Garage. I guess as you can see, I'm all bundled up. You're probably wondering why. Well, we got to work on Eleanor here, and it's a blistering 25 degrees outside right now, so, but you have to do what you have to do sometimes. In this case, we're going to replace some mufflers. Let me show you what's going on. The reason we're out here, as cold as it is working today, well, let me show you. The condenser, even though it was 2 weeks old, went bad on this truck on a trip, and it backfired so hard. Take a look at the muffler. It blew the whole side out of the muffler. That is a Raptor muffler. You see the one on the other side is still good. So I'm going to replace this. I'm going to replace both of them. I want to replace this one first, obviously. And I want to do a sound comparison between the Summit brand and the Raptor to see how much different there is in the sound and the decibels and all that. Here's what we're replacing it with. The Summit, let's see, SUM 638221. It's 2 1/4 inlet and outlet. I had to get offset inlet and center outlet to match what was on there. But looks pretty decent. Looks like a knockoff Flowmaster, which one thing I read is that these are not supposed to have the drone like a Flowmaster does. Which I like the Flowmaster sound, but like a lot of people, I hate the drone inside the interior. So let's get to saw and see what happens. Okay, that's going to take forever at that speed. Let's kick it up a notch. Yeah, look at that. When I say it blew it apart, it blew it wide open. All from a condenser being bad. Yeah. It woke the neighbors up anyway. Okay, let's tack this thing into place. Summit sounds a lot better, I think. There's the Summit. Let me get over here to the Raptor. Rev it up once. So there you go for $29.